In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a pivot view in Odoo's advanced view. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to head over to the Odoo website. In your web browser, simply type in Odoo's homepage URL. Once you're there, you'll find the Sign In button situated at the top right corner of the page. Click on it to access your Odoo account. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to provide your credentials. Just enter your email and password to proceed. Now, once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Odoo dashboard. It's a centralized hub where all your applications are located. Your next step is to navigate to the Sales module. This module is typically marked by an icon showing a shopping cart or something similar. And it's an essential part of leveraging the full power of Odoo's business applications, especially for those engaged in sales operations. After clicking on the Sales module, focus your attention on the toolbar at the top and look for Reporting. Select Reporting. This section provides various tools and functionalities to analyze your sales data effectively, and it's here where we'll configure our pivot view. Within the Reporting section, you'll spot the option for Sales. This might seem a bit recursive, but it ensures you're looking specifically at the analysis tools for your sales data. Go ahead and click on Sales to explore the detailed reports available for your transactions. Once you're viewing the sales reports, your next task is to locate the Pivot button in the View selector. This can be found in the upper right corner or near the top center, depending on your screen configuration. Clicking on Pivot transforms your data into a pivot table view, which is incredibly powerful for data analysis. It allows you to summarize, sort, and perform calculations effortlessly. And just like that, your data is now presented in a pivot format, giving you enhanced flexibility to analyze various datasets with ease. You can drag and drop fields to rearrange the data, or use filters to narrow down the specifics of your report. This table is fully interactive, making it simpler for you to examine the key metrics or trends you're interested in. And there you have it, a robust pivot view setup, perfectly tailored to your sales data in Odoo. Whether you're tracking KPIs or reviewing end-of-quarter results, this view is a fantastic tool to have in your analytics arsenal. So, take some time to explore all the functionalities and ensure you're getting the most out of your data analysis. Thanks for watching, and happy analyzing!